Good day everyone, this is Marinong Ingeniero and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about emergency generator load testing. Let's go! Before we start, let's talk about the importance of emergency load test, when do we usually execute load test, and the duration of testing. Emergency load test is intended for all vessels to test the emergency generator if power interruption or power blackout occur. Emergency load testing is usually executed every 6 months as per our company safety management system. For the safety of the vessel, emergency load testing is mostly performed during long stay anchorage. Before commencing the emergency load test, make sure to switch off all the essential electrical equipments like the radar and GMSS or desktops that may malfunction when there is an abrupt power interruption. Check the level of lube oil in the sump tank by dipstick. Always renew the engine lube oil every 3 months along with the lube oil disposable filter. Batteries are interchanged by weekly basis. The charger should be switched off before testing. Batteries are to be renewed every 2 years and it should be free maintenance. Check the fuel level if it is sufficient. Check also the exhaust seal pad if it has water in it. Now we are ready. Press the emergency generator sequence test button. The emergency generator load has now been automatically closed within 31 seconds. Closely monitored all the parameters. We added more load to the emergency generator by running the emergency fire pump, engine room ventilation fan in low current, and exhaust fan for emergency generator room. So far, the emergency generator can carry all the heavy load we fed on it. Closely monitor all the parameters to confirm any abnormalities on the emergency generator. Our testing now is done and load can be opened by manually opening the ACB control. Then, you can manually turn off the engine by switching it to manual mode and pressing the stop button. Don't forget to switch the emergency generator to auto mode again. That's all for today's topic about emergency generator load testing. I hope you like my video. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a safe voyage. See you in my next vlog. Bye!